I'm down here fishing at a little part of our creek down here, and I just caught our first fish of the day, and it's like a little green sunfish, I think, or pumpkin seed, but we'll get back to you when we catch more. Okay, right when I turned off the camera, I got another fish on my second cast down here. So they're about the same size. No, that one's a lot bigger actually. Yeah, but we'll get back to you and catch more. I just caught another fish, and he was the only one that actually could feel it in his mouth, but he could barely do it anyway. But yeah, he's real small. But I'm gonna be catching some more, just still right here in this little part of the creek. So we'll get back to you when we catch more. I caught another fish. It's a lot smaller. Well, that's not it. Here it is. It's like it's just a smaller one. And now I'm just fishing with bacon, no bobber or anything. I caught two, but when I was reeling it up, it hit a rock and fell back in. So I'll get back to you when we catch more. There's another. And the last one. Alright, my next video I'm probably gonna be using a tripod, and I should be going to the lake soon, so alright, subscribe.